As part of Fáilte Ireland's financial recovery supports, this short video will give you an understanding of the cash flow statement and guide you through completing this. The cash flow statement identifies the movement of cash in and out of the cash account. It details the timing of payments of purchases, VAT, PAYE, PRSI, payroll, loan payments, leases, etc. It also details the inflows of cash from sales, debtors, such as tour groups or corporate accounts, for example, directors' loans, or other forms of cash into the business. It allows a business to forecast cash receipts and outgoing payments for the months ahead, and ultimately its ending cash position. The cash flow statement starts here with the opening cash balance. All data is to be entered into the orange cells only. Within the cash inflow section, enter all projected cash going into the business. While your business is closed, cash sales will be at zero. As much as possible, accurately projecting when you will receive payment of debtors can help you manage your cash flow. All cash inflows are entered as a positive number and are entered here in these rows. Cash outflows include wages and salaries, all your creditors, revenue payments such as VAT or PRSI, local authority rates, and all other outgoings of the business. Each of these are entered as a negative number here through these rows. The cash flow balance on this row is before debt service. We have included two rows in relation to debt service. One for your existing loan and a second for a new facility, such as working capital that you may have secured. Both of these may have different payment terms, and this allows you to separate them. Any debt service payments should be entered as a negative number. Your cash flow balance for the end of each month is shown on this row, the adjusted cash flow balance, and is the starting position for the following month. The Excel template and guidance note to support this video are located here on the Fáilte Ireland website.